Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create stunning 3D glass icons right inside Figma. If you're looking to add that fresh, glossy, almost futuristic vibe to your interface designs, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to craft these beautiful, translucent icons that really pop off the screen, and trust me, once you get the hang of this technique, you'll want to use it everywhere. Let's jump straight in. First, make sure you have your two icon shapes ready and overlapping in your Figma file. Think of these as the layers of glass, maybe like looking at two panes slightly offset. The overlapping is key because it helps give us that 3D layered effect once we start adding color and effects. Now, let's color the icon in front. I like to go with a strong blue for this one, something eye-catching but not too dark. The reason we pick a vibrant color here is that glass catches and refracts light, and you want that color to really emphasize the depth of the icon. Next, for the icon in the back, apply a gradient. Start with a lighter blue at the top and shift into a deeper, darker blue at the bottom. This gradient helps mimic the way real glass gets darker where it's thicker or stacked, adding to the illusion. Don't worry if the colors look a little strong right now, we're about to soften things up. The next step is to make the front icon's opacity lower. Click on the front icon and dial down its opacity, somewhere between 50% to 70% usually works well. The idea here is to let the background icon and the gradient peek through, almost like you're looking through a pane of frosted glass. If you don't see a dramatic change right away, don't stress, the magic starts to happen in the next steps. Alright, now head to the effects panel and add a background blur to the front icon. This is where the real glassy feel starts to come alive. A bit of blur makes it look like light is diffusing as it passes through the surface, just like frosted or curved glass in real life. Adjust the blur level until you like the look. It can be subtle, just enough to suggest that it's layered above something else. Next, let's add a soft, luminous stroke around the edges. Go to Strokes and set a width of 4 pixels. For extra depth, choose the linear gradient option with 3 gradient stops. Make all stops white, but set the center stop's opacity to 0. It's kind of like a glass rim catching light on both outer edges, but fading out as it wraps around the middle. This tiny detail takes the effect from nice to wow, that's glass. If you're having trouble getting the gradient just right, zoom in and play around, it's worth the effort. Now add the same gradient stroke around the back icon too. Repeat the process, 3 stops, all white, center at 0 opacity. This consistent edge lighting pulls both shapes together and really sells the layered 3D illusion. And that's it, you've just made a gorgeous 3D glass icon. Take a moment to admire your work and don't be afraid to tweak the opacity, blurs, or gradients until it feels perfect for your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your own icon designs, drop a comment below. I love seeing what you come up with. And don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.